In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the classic ribbon view in Microsoft Outlook. If your Outlook layout looks a little different than expected, or you want to switch away from the classic ribbon style, this is a quick setting you can update in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it so you can adjust the ribbon view with confidence. To begin, open Outlook and make sure you're in the Mail area. This is important because the ribbon settings we're looking for are easiest to access from the main Mail view. Once you're there, take a moment to look at the top of the screen because that's where the display and layout options are located. Next, click on View. The View tab is where Outlook keeps many of the settings related to how your interface appears. So if you ever want to customize what you see on screen, this is often a good place to start. After selecting it, you should see additional options appear for changing the way Outlook is displayed. From there, click on Ribbon. This opens the ribbon-related choices and allows you to decide which ribbon style you want to use. The ribbon is the toolbar area at the top of Outlook that contains commands and shortcuts, so changing this setting can make a noticeable difference in how streamlined or expanded your interface feels. Now, click on Simplified Ribbon. This will switch Outlook away from the classic ribbon view and apply the simplified version instead. The simplified ribbon is designed to give you a cleaner, less cluttered workspace by showing a more compact list of tools while still keeping commonly used actions within easy reach. Once you make the change, Outlook should update the interface right away. If it doesn't appear immediately, give it a second and check the top toolbar to confirm the new ribbon style has been applied. You can also revisit the same menu later if you decide you want to switch back. That's all it takes to change the classic ribbon view in Microsoft Outlook. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make the app feel much more comfortable depending on how you like to work. If you prefer a cleaner layout, the simplified ribbon can be a great option for reducing visual clutter and keeping your focus on your inbox.